think it offers us a tremendous opportunity to be more agile in the way we're able to deploy different sorts of resources from IT's perspective that support our business partners. That being servers and storage and maybe even web servers very quickly and with a tremendous amount of resource if necessary in a way faster way than going out and buying it for ourselves. It would allow us to provision things like that in probably 24 hours instead of the normal procurement time that we have to buy resources like that would be weeks. So we're moving from being able to do something in weeks to doing something in hours, which I think is a tremendous opportunity for us to better serve our business partners in King County.
I think it's time. Well overdue, and I'm excited about it. I think that the ability for us to go work from anywhere and access all of our documents and get stuff done, whether we're here at the desk, at the coffee shop, or at home with our families if need be, super cool. So I'm in.
One appeal of the cloud environment is the ability to bring up additional servers for QA and load test environments immediately, leave them up for a few days, and bring them down without any capital cost involved.
I think we have a great opportunity, especially from eGov's point of view. Though we are not actively engaged in the cloud services right now, we're looking to move to that. As we bring up the new redesign, as we completely engage with the new services and the residents of our county, we need to be more efficient in how we do that. The cloud is the way that we're going to get to there. It might take a while, but we will reach that point where the cloud will become that important service to make it more efficient for us to do business with our end residents.
So Leslie, how do you feel about King County using cloud services?
Billowing clouds. Have the pine trees shrunk a bit?
I'm really excited about what the cloud may be able to do for me, especially since I need to be mobile a lot of the time. But I also have questions about how we're going to deploy those cloud services and how I might be able to use them.
I'm very excited because I love using Dropbox because it allows me to access my work documents at home or from work.
I see I see rainbows, but what I really like about it is that the cloud follows me everywhere I go, and it doesn't require a leash. So it's better than my dog. So I see rainbows, and I don't have to clean up after it. But it's also huge from a strategy standpoint, so I think it's really going to enable us to do our mobility strategy, which really supports our customers. And it's key to some of the things that support that as well, like consumerization and a whole bunch of other things. So I'm really excited about the cloud. I think it's going to be great.
I think it's a rainbow of opportunities because as we look at how we have to work in the future, we're going to have to find more and more ways to be able to work out of the office, in the field. And you've got to have some kind of cloud-based technology to make that happen. Otherwise, there isn't an Ethernet cable long enough to take you through the entire county.
Well, at first, when I heard that King County was moving to cloud services, I was a little sad. The forecast was dismal. But I have to be honest, I was thinking about it, and I was like, oh my goodness, all of our data in the cloud? What if it rains? How are we going to do data recovery? But then after thinking about it and having some amazing people talk to me about our cloud services, I got really excited and I discovered the cost savings associated with cloud. How awesome is it? And I love a bargain. I am really excited about anything where we could save some money for the county. So now, I heart the cloud. Cloud services is going to be awesome.
So Nick, how do you feel about King County using cloud services?
I think it's a smart idea. King County should use it, implement it as soon as possible because this is the future of technology.
Did you want to give an example, you said?
Everybody should be early adopter of this new technology because, like I said, this is the future and will be cost effective for the big enterprise corporations, and it's saving money at the end. Thank you very much.
Is it easier to do your job?
Yes, it's easier to do your job, it's easy to plan, and it's easy to forecast the benefits.
Well, I'm seeing rainbows, as you see here. The cloud is just wonderful. Not only will it add speed to our environment, but cost reduction also. In the old days, to take and to spin up some servers, we had to order them, we had to get them in here, we had to update them. Now we can do it in a matter of 24 hours. That's great. Allows us to give more capability to our customers quicker. And all that means big wins for our customers.
Emerging under peaks of clouds. A little boat.
It's a rain cloud. It's a wonderful tool that's brought us some great social media opportunities, and we have a lot of recruiting to do, so that's been great.
So Matt, how do you feel about King County using cloud services?
Well, I think I'm seeing rainbows, and sounds like it could be interesting, but also being a technical guy, I wonder how the little nuts and bolts are going to work.
I'm in support of using cloud services. I'd like to caution KCIT though, because I don't believe it's a one-size-fits-all solution. I think if we use it properly with things like business continuity and mobile workforce, I think we're going to find that it is a good solution for us.
Well, in addition to providing positive pros for our regional weather, I think it will allow us to experiment faster, to introduce other solutions faster, and duplicate our own successes faster. More fun, more value.
For the moment, straight above my pillow, billowing clouds.